How you can transform your life with simple mind hacks immediately and start living the abundant life you always desired. Let me be up right front with you here. You've had enough of seeing everybody else succeed and not you, and it might feel like your time might never come. And now you know you have to do something about it. Believe me, I get it. Before I finally had my major breakthrough, I felt like I was just wasting my time by trying to settle with the depleting 9-to-5 job most of us hate. For a long time it didn't matter how much time or how many ways I tried, I felt like I was never going to get anywhere with achieving my dream. But let me tell you what I came to realize about trying to end the cycle of poverty. I realized that my lack of progress in getting anywhere with it wasn't entirely my fault. What I came to understand is that it's almost impossible to get ahead of the constant money problems. Why? Well, because our minds are literally programmed to be broke. I know most of you are thinking that's impossible, but no, it's very real, and even a quick Google search can validate my statement. Don't believe me? Okay, just search up social conditioning. Actually, let me tell you a little secret hidden from the public knowledge. Corporations exploit our emotional insecurities so they can sell us their products and services, making us compete with our fellow human beings about who has more stuff. So-called journalists are selling us lies by utilizing propaganda tactics through the mainstream media, turning us into mindless puppets. Priests and religious teachers of all sorts gain power by selling us heaven in the afterlife, dividing us into in-groups and out-groups that fight against one another in the name of God. Politicians gain power by selling us heaven on earth, also splitting us into opposing groups that fight against each other in the name of ideology. And, again, these are just a few examples. If we realize these consequences, and are truly willing to change our way of living for the benefit of ourselves and the world, we need to develop the courage to escape the herd mentality and start thinking for ourselves, and the sooner we do, the better. Of course, that's easier said than done, since our social conditioning has gone very deep and is affecting us in ways we can't even recognize. However, with conscious and constant effort, it's definitely possible to do so. If you're interested to know how exactly this video is for you. Anyone spooked out yet? Let's not go too deep into the rabbit hole. I just wanted to give you a glimpse of why the 99% haven't achieved the wealth everyone deserves. Now don't worry though, because I want to let you in on an even bigger secret everyone should know to achieve their dreams, and it doesn't take years or months. It can happen now. You see, I actually did come across a mind-altering method to break the chains of our negative programming. It worked for me. And it worked so well for me that I'm now ahead of the game with every aspect of my life. Imagine if you could get the same wealth as Oprah or even Jay-Z. My name is Joel Ortiz and I'm an internet marketer and business personnel from New York City. The reason that I'm here is because I really do want to share something very special with you. That something is how you, regardless of your empty bank account, can achieve any dream you can desire. Allow me to introduce you to meditation. This is my personal blueprint that also every successful celebrity uses, and it's for anybody that are fed up with how their life is not aligning with their dreams, which up until now have resulted in nothing more than frustration and limited success. This is my own long-time secret sauce, as they say, for never ever being broke again whenever I want and need it. And nothing is simpler to follow and maintain than what I am presenting to you right here. I found an ancient method for achieving amazing results in life. And now I'm handing this method over to you. And just so you know, meditation is not something that requires you to take chunks out of your life learning how to make it work for you. Instead, what you have is a do this then do that method which you apply as desired. If your favorite celebrity can get this kind of achievements in their life, then I have no doubt at all that this method will also work for you. This method differs to others that try to solve your financial problems because unlike their products, this method requires nothing but a quiet place and headphones. Not only that, but let me show you what you'll also find in just minutes from now. The following are suggestion benefits that you can change or build upon. How to get from $0 to $1 million by doing meditation only 30 minutes per day. The one secret to getting the life you always dreamed of that no one else will tell you. How this meditation will help you overcome any financial problem you might be going through by simply focusing on the mind. How to avoid attracting negative things into your life by doing the opposite to everyone else and gain millions. The most common mistakes that can derail your progress if you aren't aware of them from the outset. Make these mistakes and an abundant life is lost forever. The quickest way to double your poverty is through the everyday actions of others. And so much more. Take control of your destiny now.